Laughing to the bank, got me running wild. No to the pain, so I keep a smile.
Hey BF dolls, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing the most highly requested video today, and I'm using this brush set that I'm showing you guys. So whenever I do my eyebrows, I start off with tweezing them. I pluck my own eyebrows and I also razor them. I couldn't find my razor. I just plucked the hairs that needed to be plucked that were growing back because my eyebrows are already groomed. I already shaped them up how I like them. I just needed to clean them up a little bit more with my razor, which I'll do when I find it. But yeah, so I'm now taking this angled brush and it has a spoolie on the end. I don't usually use spoolies, but whatever. And I'm going to take my Maybelline brow gel in medium brown. I use brow gel and it makes my eyebrow process so very easy, you guys. So now I'm just going to go with my natural shape that I already have shaped up. And when you have your eyebrows like waxed or plucked or threaded, however it goes, whatever you get, it makes the eyebrow process so much easier, as you can see. So I'm going to start on my right eyebrow, which is my trouble eyebrow. You guys, your eyebrows will never be perfect. I mean, sometimes they come out symmetrical, but other than that, your brows are going to be sisters, not twins. So yeah, I'm just going to shape this brow up how I like it. And so now I'm just showing you guys how to measure your eyebrows. You put the brush up to your nose, the side of your nose, and that is where your eyebrow should begin. Turn it to the side, that is where it should be angled, and then the tail of the brow should be at the end. And so now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer. Yo, this is the best drugstore concealer. This is the only drugstore concealer I use, but it's the best. Like, it has high quality full coverage. And now I'm just taking this flat angled brush, you guys. An angled brush is the best. And so now I'm just cleaning up under my brows, and I'm going to drag the concealer down and blend it in. And I'm also going to do the same thing at this top. You guys take your time with this step. Difference between the concealed brow and the unconcealed brow. It looks more sharp and defined and more glamorous. But now I'm going to do the same thing with my troubled brow, and I'm just going to make sure that I really fix it up how I want it to be. Also, for the beginning of the brow, I just blend it out a little bit and take my time with it. I don't want them to look boxy. I want them to look natural and faded. And as you can see, it has that effect. I hope you guys enjoyed my eyebrow tutorial. It's been long awaited. And here you guys go. I love you, BF dolls. See you in the next tutorial.